Hello guys, this is Mike from Nitro Speed. Hope you're all doing well. Starting off with a 70 Dodge Charger. Actually, it's a Hot Wheels ID. I bought this one for my collection. I absolutely love this Dodge Charger. I love Mopar. I love muscle cars in general, so anyway, that's the first one we're starting with tonight, and we got several in the collection, and there's maybe 2 or 3 that you've never seen. So alright guys, one more time around passenger side and we'll go to the next one, and I'm going to give you a real quick look around the room. Did a little more changes, made a little more room in here. So guys, let's go to the next one. '71 Chevy El Camino. This one's great. I love it. I love the black with the pink and white. Great casting. Really nice looking car. Love this casting. Great looking. Guys, hope everyone's doing well with this. Everybody's staying clean with this virus going around, and keep my mask on all day, except for when I'm at home, and when I'm at work, out and getting gas, and go shopping. I wear my mask and my gloves all day long, up until, like I said, till I get home. So we're doing well here. So far we've been very blessed and very grateful to not have caught this. So alright guys, let's go to the next one. Next one's a 65 Ford Ranchero, part of Sugar Rush series, and I'm not a big fan with the candy name on the side, as it just makes the car look terrible. I tell you what, I love the colors though. It looks so good together. Absolutely gorgeous car. Guys, it's about time. Go to the next one. The driver's side one more time around. Now we'll go to the next one. Looking good here, guys. Things are really looking up here on my channel. It's really starting to pick up. Really starting to get a lot of subscribers. I'm up to 231 as we speak. Okay, next car is a Chevy Nova panel wagon. Another Sugar Rush. There again. Get rid of that stupid logo on the side of the car. It'll look a lot better. You know, if it was like a white color with the light blue, or you know, without all those stupid stars on there, or snowflakes, or whatever you call it, I think it would look a lot better. But I love this casting though. It's great looking. Alright guys, let's go to the driver's side and we'll go to the next one. Alright guys, next one. It's a Dodge Dart. I think it's about 68 Dodge Dart. I love the purple with the yellow. Now this car looks great. That doesn't have a, you know, logo like the candy stuff on the side of the car. Looks great though. I really like this purple with the yellow flames. It's kind of like a dark purple. Great looking casting. I really like these Dodge Darts. Alright guys, one more time around the passenger side. We'll go to the next one. Cleaned them last night and re-cleaned them again for the video, so hope you're enjoying the video, guys. Next one's a Dodge Dart GT. It's about 71, I believe. 71. Got it down here. Oops, thought I did. I don't know what I did with it. Oh, there it is. Yep, 71 Dodge Dart GT. That's it. Man, she looks great though. I love this casting. Hold on guys, I'll bring the hood up. And now you'll be able to see it. And now you'll be able to see the engine detail to it. And it looks really good. I really like these Dodge Darts. Love this one looking at right now. Big fan of these Dodge Darts. Boxy style. Doesn't have all that aerodynamic stuff. I love these cars though, just full metal on metal. Alright guys, let's go ahead and go to the next one. Go to the passenger side one more time around. And let's go to the next one, guys. Alright, there we go. 66 Chevy Nova. Gorgeous casting. I have like 2 or 3 of these. One in the package, 2 out. I don't know why I opened the second one by mistake. I must have thought I didn't have it, but real nice casting. I really like this red with the white and yellow flames on it. FTE wheels. Real nice casting. Enjoy these, like I said, my favorite year of the Chevy Nova is the 64. Love the boxy style. This is just so awesome. Alright guys, go to the next one. Next one I've never brought out. I had to fix the bumper, I just fixed it. So, yeah, 57 Chevy. Looking really good. That's probably a scratch. That's alright. Anyway, I fixed the bumper. It's the passenger side bumper in the rear corner. It's not perfect, but better than what it was. It was missing, so I had to glue it together. Brought some glue home so I can glue it. I tried Elmer's glue and it didn't stay on, so got some a little bit better glue and now it's on there. A lot better. Love this color blue. Great looking casting too. Love my Chevys. Alright guys, let's go to the driver's side and we'll go to the next one. Okay guys, there we are on that one. Oops, hold on guys. Another 57 Chevy, guys. Never brought this one out. I like this one a lot too. Like I said, I love the color blue. It's got the orange and yellow flames on it. Great looking casting. I really enjoy this car. Like the 57s. But I like the earlier models better. The 53, 55, and 56 are my favorites. Not so much the 57. I do like it though, but it's not my favorite. Alright guys, let's go one more time around the driver's side and we'll go to the next one. I got 5 left. Alright guys, it's a shoebox. It's a white one, pearl white with the blue outline of red flames. Great looking casting. I really like these. I have like 3 of these in my collection. I like the old shoebox. My favorites is this one and the yellow one I have. I have a black one which came out of the Larry Woods 50th year set. But that's a gorgeous looking casting. I really enjoy this. Alright guys, let's go ahead and go to the next one. Alright guys. 69 Pontiac GTO Judge, yellow in color. Absolutely love the yellow. Gorgeous looking casting. I really enjoy this. The FTE wheels. I have several Pontiac GTO Judges. I think I have about 6 or 7 of them. I really like them. I need to get one with real riders on it though. A little bit better, you know, a little more realistic. One of them in my collection is a Johnny Lightning. It's got a open hood and the engine. But that's a great looking casting. Alright guys. One more time around the passenger side and we'll go to the last 3. Alright guys. Yep, 68 Mercury Cougar. Part of that 50th anniversary reissue. The red lines on this. It's my favorite year of the Mercury Cougar, 68. Great looking casting. I really enjoy this car. I got some really cool looking castings of the last 2. So guys, let's go one more time around to the driver's side and we'll go to the next one. Alright guys. Yeah, here we go. The Plymouth Barracuda. It's got ghost flames on it, as you can see. Great looking casting. I really love this. It's got more of the modern red lines on it. Spectra Flame Green. Really cool looking. Really enjoy this. Love the Hemi Cudas and Plymouth Barracudas. Last one is, oh man, it's one of my treasures in my entire collection. So, and it's an RLC. Alright guys, let's go to the next one. And the last one. Alright guys. You got it. It's the blown delivery. Now this is just, oh man, do I love this. It's my favorite of my collection. This one of the Poison Pinot. Just takes the cake, guys. Just absolutely gorgeous. It's pretty awesome looking. I only made like 12,500 of these, and it's number 8559 or something like that. But this just absolutely gorgeous. Alright guys, real quick, do a shout out to all you guys. Matt Black's Diecast, Gary's Hot Wheels collection. Let me see here. Scorpio Love Smith, David Beeson, Mike Dyson, Toon Tracks Racing. Let me see. Oh yeah, Ron's muscle car, Ron's Diecast muscle cars, and Mountain 66 Hot Wheels, or Mountain 66 Diecast. I think that's what it is. But Gary's Diecast collection. Pretty much that's all I can remember right now. Just got in from work a little while ago and did some cleaning up around here, so I'm going to show you real quick. Okay guys, there's a lot of my collection from up there, and then look, I'm going to get the light so you can see everything down below. And then we'll go down here. I got quite a bit there in my collection. There's my V-Dub collection down there. I got some of my really cool looking American Muscle in there. And then a lot of really cool stuff. There's the Muscle Machines, quite a bit. 8, 9, 10, 11 of them. And then there's me at the World Finals in 2004, 16 years ago. It's hard to believe. I paid $10 and I was able to sit in a top fuel car from the early 70s, which were front-end dragsters back in the day. And then there's the Dale Worsham Mountain Dew funny car. There's that's a 56 Chevy. Gorgeous looking casting. I really like this. And guys, there's all my Corvettes up on top there. My Camaros, which I know I have more than that because I have most of them in my container, my Plano case. There's Mustangs and Vipers, my Vans collection. Yeah, here we go, guys. It's looking really good. Yeah, I got quite a bit of cars in my collection. And then you can see up here, quite a bit up here. Yeah, they get dusty, so I have to clean them every time I do a video. So I see some open spots there. It's because I have some in my video. Some of my Chargers, Challengers, GTOs, the Judges. Yeah, so then here's my drag racing collection. I got a lot of gassers and funny cars in my collection. And then you can see down there, my Texaco gas station. Yes, I was a big Gas Ronda fan back in the day. And yep, Turtle, good old trusty Turtle Wax. Cars I did for the video. This right here, guys, is sort of like I put this together just to screw around. Got the LED string lights. And then there's some of my collection there. Got a lot of cars over here, a lot of JDMs and stuff over there. And then, yeah, got a lot there. And we got some 50s, right? A lot of 50s and stuff right there. I got some Auto Worlds in there. You can see it's real dusty in here, so. Alright guys, and then there's the my coupes and my dairy deliveries and 32 Ford panels, my Woodies, and these are all my favorite pickup trucks in my collection. So that's pretty much, oh yeah. And I have a lot of Porsches under there and a lot of Lamborghinis and gosh, McLarens and stuff like that, and a lot of my unopened packages. I got a lot of cars under there. So, anyway, guys, that just about does it. So, guys, that's gonna do it tonight, because I gotta go ahead and shut this off so I can upload this video and share it with you guys. So hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Please like, comment, and please subscribe. I thank you guys for all your support. And if I missed any of you guys, you know who you are. And I thank you, my brothers. And I'll be talking to you guys soon. Take care of yourselves, be good to each other, and I'll be talking to you guys on the next video. This is Mike from Nitro Speed. I'm out of here. See ya.